Hi everyone, it's Designer Soapbox here. If you're a new subscriber, thanks for finding my channel and tuning in. And if you're a returning subscriber, I really appreciate your support and watching all of my videos. I hope that I give away good content for you. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about how to boost your credit score fast with Kikoff. So what is Kikoff? Kikoff is similar to self-lender. Similar to a self-lender loan where the lender will give you amount of money, and basically they'll give you a term length. So if you have, for example, $600 in your loan and you have to pay that back in 12 months, you'll have a monthly payment every month to pay that back, and then at the end of the loan you'll get that money back. So it's similar to that. With Kikoff, there is no credit check and it's instant approval. So that's really great. So if you're looking for something that does not hinder your credit score right now, and you either have fair credit, poor credit, or no credit, and you don't want to take a hard hit on your credit, then this is definitely something that you should look into. Also, it reports to all 3 credit bureaus. So meaning once it reports that you have an account with Kikoff, it will boost all 3 credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and Transunion. And really a great thing about it is that there is no fees, no hidden costs, no change, no fees, no nothing. So that's really great. So how to apply? So first you go to kikoff.com, and these are very easy steps to apply, guys. I love to share stuff with you that is simple, straightforward, and gets the job done, right? So you'll build your credit by establishing a payment history with Kikoff, right? Best part, you have already everything you need. So basically you just go to kikoff.com, you sign up for an account, you'll instantly get approved after verifying your identity. There is no bank account, no credit card, or no credit score needed, so they won't be asking you for personal information. Then the second step is to get approved for their plan. So once you receive the funds from their loan to kick off your payment history, they'll deposit $12 cash instantly. This $12 is basically for $1 per month. So you have to pay $1 each month to demonstrate that you have paid on-time credit history. So you pay them back each month $1. Yes, $1. And this is going to basically show on your credit report that you have on-time payment history, and that it will show that after the end of the year that you'll have 1 year of strong on-time payment history. So that is basically Kikoff, right? So what's next? So in order for you to see any progress with this, once you sign up, I recommend to wait 30 days for it to report to all 3 credit bureaus. That's how long it usually takes for credit bureaus to report any accounts that you have added to your credit bureau. Then you'll see a credit increase, and most likely you'll see up to 100 points. So it may be 80 points, 50 points, 60 points, depending on your credit profile. You can literally get up to 100 points with this. I've read reviews on this company, and I've seen people with screenshots of their 1 month of them being with Kikoff, and they scored up to 100 points. So this is something that I really recommend. For someone if they're looking to boost their credit score fast. Depending on if you need, if you're looking to purchase a car or a home and you need that credit score boost, well, hey, they have this. And then basically you'll pay $1 a month for the 12 consecutive months of the Kikoff loan. So that's really it. I'm going to go over more about Kikoff and who they are, because this is a very new company, and I haven't heard too much about them on the internet. And so this is something that I was researching online, and I found more information about them. So I just want to kind of give you guys a better outlook and overview of who they are. Just if you have any questions about them, or just because you haven't heard much about it, or if it's too good to sound true. Those are always people perspective. I wanted to give you guys a little bit more information about that if you're curious. So here we're on the Kikoff.com website, and this is where you'll go to sign up. You'll click sign up here. The 3 easy steps that I went over. Pretty straightforward how it works. Why is it free? They're basically saying that they believe that everyone should have the opportunity to own their financial future. We see people get burned all too often by credit cards when trying to establish credit history, which is why they created an environment for free with no hidden fees and no interest rates to make it easy for people to use the service. And here are a lot of reviews on the company and then who they are. So I'm going to go into Meet the Team and basically give you an idea of who they are. So these are the people. So Cynthia, Christopher, Kevin, and Tony are people from the Bay Area. And this is why I decided to tell you guys more about it, because I'm originally from the Bay Area. And this is really good. I'm really impressed that people that live in the Bay Area, have their own startup. I believe this is a startup company, but however, this is reporting. They have some type of system that is working to report to the credit bureaus. And they also have similar experience on what it's like to get rejected. For instance, Christopher, I believe, he moved to the Bay Area when he was 13 years old, and when he applied for a loan, he was rejected over an account that was on his profile, and then no one really wanted to see his credit report. So a lot of them have the same experience, if not the similar experience of what we most likely have been going through, and we need that extra credit boost. We need that extra opportunity. So why not? If you're a person that just you know what, I'm going to take that chance and kick it off with Kikoff. Feel free to go to the website, check them out, learn more about them, go on their social media. But if it works for you and you start seeing results, please come back to this video and leave your reviews so that you can help one another, because I love when you guys leave your feedback on what helped, so that it can help other people, right? Because that's what we're here for. We're here to help other people, guys. So yeah, so let's get back to the rest of it. So if you made it to this end of the video, I wanted to let you guys know that I have a 72-hour sale, and it's 50% off right now on a 24-hour inquiry removal guide. This helps remove inquiries from your credit report. Now, inquiries from your credit report can vary from 5 to 15 points. So if you have multiple 15, 20, 10, if you get this inquiry removal guide, your score can boost really high. And also, a lot of lenders will deny you because of you having multiple inquiries. So make sure that you have low inquiries on your credit report, if not none. This will help you get approved for things. This will help you boost your score. So if you're interested, please click on the link in the description below or in the pinned comments. Right now I have a 72-hour sale and it's 50% off. And wait, there's more. I have another gem for you guys. There's a late payment express removal guide, also 50% off for 72 hours. And this is also a step-by-step to help you remove your late payments off your credit report faster than any credit repair 609 letters. So if you have already decided to get 609 letters and go into the dispute process, but there is no luck, no one's helping you dispute your late payments, well, this is another method where you can get those late payments removed quickly as possible. And remember, each late payment can vary from 50 to 100 points. That is a lot of points. So make sure you get this removal late payment guide. It will boost your credit score fast. Link is in the description, guys. And thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate your support. I really appreciate your feedback. So make sure you subscribe, like, and comment if you want similar videos like this on your timeline. I really appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.